Pre-painted steel sheets are utilized every second in the manufacturing of consumer goods and various industrial components. With their exceptional mechanical properties, durability, and aesthetic appeal, pre-painted steel sheets remain consistently favored by industrial manufacturers. With solid support from Yodogawa Steelworks Limited, a respected steel company in Japan, and leveraging diverse expertise, we have achieved remarkable success in terms of product quality and service excellence through innovative production techniques. Equipped with advanced, high-performance machines that incorporate automation systems, our factories ensure precise production. Our skilled and experienced staff oversee operations, ensuring meticulous control and flawless execution to meet our customer requirements. We focus on every step of the process, from material selection, pre-treatment, coating, baking, inspecting, embossing, shearing, and packing. With our capabilities, we can manufacture a diverse range of pre-painted steel sheet products, offering various coating layers, sizes, and cutting styles. Our products meet industry and international manufacturing standards. We proudly distribute our high-quality products to factories, consumer goods manufacturers, and industrial sectors both domestically and internationally. PCM Processing Thailand Limited. We understand the vital role our products play for our customers. Our goal is to achieve sustainable business growth by consistently delivering high-quality, eco-friendly products, fostering mutually beneficial partnerships, and succeeding in collaboration with our customers. Pioneering excellence with PCM Processing Thailand Limited.